Welcome. My name is Naomi Natalie. Today we are talking about recovering irritated and damaged skin due to using the wrong skincare product, over-exfoliating the skin, and skin sensitivity due to acne medications such as benzoyl peroxide, AHA, BHA, and topical steroid cream. I hope this video is helpful and informative. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and share it with your friends to support my channel. In the past, my skin was addicted to topical steroid cream to treat my acne inflammation until it has become super sensitive, developed persistent redness, and broken capillary. As a result, I can hardly use any skincare product without causing irritation. It's really hard to find something that works for me, so I have to do some research and scour through all information to find what's best to treat my skin condition. Finally, I learned about the importance of repairing skin barrier function to get the condition of the skin back to normal. If you happen to watch a lot of skincare content, you will know what skin barrier is. Skin barrier is known as stratum corneum. Basically, it's the outermost layer of the skin that acts as a protective barrier from the external factors such as sun exposure, extreme weather condition, bacteria, pollution, the skincare that we are using, etc. Our skin barrier structure is made of layers of lipid that contains fatty acid, cholesterol, and ceramide. Healthy skin barrier will keep our skin at its best condition, stay hydrated, and prevent from moisture loss through the skin, so it doesn't prone to get irritation and acne. When the skin barrier gets damaged, the ability of our skin to protect itself isn't as effective as it should be. Sun exposure will be the worst enemy. It will cause photosensitivity, resulting in redness and dilated capillary. And the skin is more likely to react with certain ingredients in skincare product which can manifest as rashes, acne breakout, and itchiness. What I did in the past to save my damaged skin barrier due to prolonged use of topical steroid cream is I went back to basic by simplifying my skincare routine in just 3 steps, that is, cleansing, moisturizing, and wearing broad-spectrum sunscreen. Basically, less is more when it comes to treating sensitive skin and damaged skin barrier. And I avoid putting too many layers of different skincare product on my skin, like having 9, 10, 11, or even 20 steps of skincare routine like some people do. There are toners, essence, ampoules, serums, moisturizers, whatever you name it, that you put them all onto your skin, hoping that you would achieve a glass and glowing skin. Well, I did that in the past and learned that the more product that I'm putting on my skin, the more likely that things can go wrong and irritate my skin even further. When my skin gets irritated, it reacts with itchiness and redness. And this is pretty common with people who have applied too many skincare products or keep changing their skincare product very often. The thing is, when you combine certain active ingredients in many skincare products, they can cancel out each other and make it not effective, or they can irritate your skin. For instance, niacinamide or vitamin B3 is one of the most common ingredients found in any skincare product. It's a very good ingredient suitable for any types of skin. It reduces redness and calms down irritation. But if I use, let's say, 10 different skincare products with different concentration of niacinamide in each one of them, they will definitely irritate my skin and cause reactions such as peeling, redness, itchiness, because I use too much of them. Too much of a good thing is bad when it comes to skincare. That's why I prefer to simplify my skincare routine all year round, because the less product that I use, the more effective the result gets and the less money that I spend. So it's a win-win for me. So the first step of my basic skincare routine is cleansing my face once or twice a day with gentle cleanser that has no irritating ingredients such as alcohol, perfume or fragrance, and detergent. The detergent that I'm referring to here is SLS, or sodium lauryl sulfate, and sodium lauryl sulfate. Since I moved to Melbourne, I only wash my face with cleanser at night and only washing my face with lukewarm water in the morning. Unlike living in humid climate such as living in Jakarta and Singapore, my skin gets a little bit less oily here in Melbourne, so I don't feel the need to wash my face with cleanser as often as I did in the past. My go-to cleanser is foaming facial wash from the brand CERAVE. It's a gentle cleanser suitable for any types of skin, but especially for sensitive, acne-prone, and oily skin. The texture is transparent runny gel without carrying any scent to it. The cleansing agent used in this cleanser are less irritating form of surfactant and milder than SLS. The three main ingredients in this cleanser are ceramide, which is good to repair skin barrier and give protection against external factors. It has three different types of ceramide: ceramide AP, ceramide NP, and ceramide AOP. And the second main ingredient is niacinamide or vitamin B3, which is also a good ingredient to repair skin barrier and give protection against external stress. It's a brightening agent which helps to reduce redness. And the next one is hyaluronic acid, which is a water-binding ingredient to keep our skin moist, supple, and hydrated. This has always been my go-to cleanser as it performs great, very affordable, and readily available in Australia. It leaves my skin clean, refreshed, and moist without over-drying it. The next step that I want to do is moisturizing my skin. This is the most important step to repair the skin barrier function. The moisturizer that I've been using for years and it's been working really great is Ceramide Atoll Concentrate Cream by the brand ILLIYOON. This is a Korean moisturizer that works on any type of skin, but especially the sensitive ones. It doesn't come with alcohol, fragrance or perfume, essential oil, and pore clogging ingredients. ATO refers to atopic or sensitive skin. Apparently, in Korea, many products that are aimed at sensitive skin will use the term ATO to help identify their products as being sensitive skin friendly. In terms of formulation, it has ceramide encapsulation technology that works to form an artificial skin barrier. These capsules appear in cream as little white flakes that melt down as you apply it onto the skin. This is meant to get the ceramides to absorb into the skin at a deeper level and therefore making them more effective to strengthen and improve skin barrier. Apart from ceramide, it also has a traditional Korean ingredients such as ginseng extract, fermented soybean, magnolia extract, and perilla extract, which all have anti-inflammatory benefits. At first glance, the texture looks quite thick and emollient, but as you apply the cream onto the skin, it doesn't feel heavy, greasy, or suffocate the skin at all. It spreads easily and absorbs really quickly. It doesn't give any greasy finish at all. Overall, this moisturizer gives a really nice moisturizing punch, has pleasant and easy wearing neutral finish. And the next step is I want to protect my skin from the damaging effect of UV rays from the sun. My go-to sunscreen that I've been wearing for a while now and I've been really loving it is by the brand PAULA'S Choice. It is their Wrinkle Defense SPF 30, which is suitable for any types of skin but especially for the sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. This is a tinted mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide as the main ingredients that provides a broad spectrum protection against UVA and UVB. It doesn't come with any irritating ingredients like some chemical sunscreen does. It has no alcohol, perfume, fragrance, or essential oil. When applied, it doesn't sting or burn my eyes, or gives off chemical odor or strange taste in my mouth. It has a silky texture that applies smoothly and easily on the skin, and it leaves soft matte finish. It also has a diverse blend of antioxidants that helps the skin to protect against free radicals and premature aging. It has willow bark extract to calm down irritation and reduce redness. It also has resveratrol to protect the skin against free radical UV damage and slowing down the process of photoaging on the skin. What I like about this sunscreen is that it has a light tint that helps to cover my redness and even out my skin tone. The cover is pretty light and not as heavy and full as BB cream or foundation, so in my opinion, it is more suitable for everyday use. But it will give you a more coverage as you apply a thicker layer. I would say that the shade is more suitable for people with fair, light, medium, and tan skin tone. My standard for sunscreen is really high. It's not easy to find one that I feel like wearing and reapplying for everyday use. For me, this is the gentlest yet effective sunscreen available in the market that I'm happy to wear all day long and reapplying every time. I should say that this sunscreen has done a great job in controlling my oil production, as I can see that my skin is not as greasy as when I'm not wearing it. But I should say that this sunscreen might not be the best option for people who have dry skin, as this might be a little bit too drying for them. I bought it online from PAULA'S Choice website in 60 ml for 49 bucks, which is a little bit on the pricier side, but I should say that I get the bang for my bucks with this one. So basically, it's just a 3 products and simple skincare routine to help my skin condition back to normal. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and share it with your friends to support my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!